Hello people, this is Mr. Lum. Today I'm going to be explaining on how to use EBSCOHost Explora. It's one of our subscription databases that we have. So the first thing that you need to do is go to jesuitportland.org, click on the Academics tab, then click on the Clark Library tab. When you get to this page, it says Welcome to Jesuit High School Clark Library. Click here for information, research databases, the catalog, and more. So click here. This is our LibGuide of our homepage that has a variety of resources. We're going to be looking at the Databases tab, which is the fourth tab from the left. EBSCOHost, if you scroll down, is in the bottom left corner. I want to remind you, if you are accessing these databases off campus, that you need the username and password for these databases, which is found on the second to the last page of your planner. If you do not have your planner, you can email lost passwords at Jesuit Mail from your Jesuit Mail account, and it will auto-reply with all the username and passwords. So go ahead and click on EBSCOHost, either the icon or the words, and it will open up the beginning screen of EBSCOHost. The one that we are going to be looking at today is the Explora Secondary Schools. So click on that. And this is the opening screen. So at the top is the search bar where we can type in what we want to look for. And then down below there are some hyperlinks as some of the top topics in these different subject areas, from arts and literature, business and government, history, etc. Let's go ahead. I'm going to type in Poe and Raven, since we want information on the Raven. The result list shows the first 10 out of 362 hits. On the left side, you can notice that you can narrow your search, refine your search a little bit more. If I click on the scholarly peer review journals, from the 362, it narrowed it down to 8 articles. I can also change the date range, instead of from 1988 to 2015. I could scroll clear and say I want something more currently using the scroll bar, and reduce it down to 4 articles. The source type, I just have chosen all results, but if I just wanted academic journals, I could look at academic journals as well. I'm going to scroll back to 1988 though, because I want to show you some of the different results. Oops, I typed in the wrong date, I believe. Hold on. So I'm going to type in Poe and Raven again. If you look at some of these articles, the first 2 have their format in PDF, and the third one has HTML and PDF. It also lists the author, the original source, publication date, gives a summary of the article, and different subject headings related to that. I'm just going to click on the second one, Raven versus Crow. So in PDF format, it's exactly how it appears in that journal. It is loading right now. So here's the article. This article is short, it's 1 page long. But on the left column, I just want to highlight a few of the things. The original source was the Virginia Quarterly Review, October 1st, 2015. One nice feature that Explorer has is that it shows the other articles within that quarterly journal. So the article before that is recent VQR videos. The one after Raven versus Crow is from the VQR Vault. You can also click on the little arrow, and you can kind of see some of the other articles that are available from this issue. On the right column are the toolbar. The toolbars that I just want to feature is the downloading to your Jesuit Mail using the Google Drive. You have to log in, and you can save it directly to your Jesuit Mail drive. You can print the article. You can email the article. This one is the Cite button, so we click Cite. You have to scroll to MLA format, and then you would highlight that citation and paste it into your Word document or whatever you're using to have your works cited page. Another feature that it has on the left column, the right column, is the permalink. So it's the one kind of looks like a chain. That permalink is right here, right at the top. So highlight that, paste that. That permalink is there forever. Okay, don't go and copy the URL at the top because that is a temporary link. So that's really important. If you want this article forever, you need to make sure you use the permalink. If you have any questions about Explora or any other the subscription databases that we have from our library site, stop by the library and talk to Mrs. FB or me. We'd be glad to help you. Have a great day.